Bryan Kohberger probably felt some bitter disappointment recently when the judge declined to dismiss the grand jury indictment against him. Isn't it interesting how he says he's keen to be exonerated, but yet wants to delay his trial as long as possible? Why not go to trial, prove your innocence and walk out of there a free man, if that's what you believe? Anyway, Bryan had a small win yesterday. The order, filed Wednesday, recounts how Bryan Kohberger was arrested in Pennsylvania more than a month after the killings, after cops were able to link him to crime scene using DNA. The defense wants to have an in-camera review of the investigative genetic genealogy. The court granted that the defense is likely entitled to see at least some of the information from the investigative genetic genealogy investigation, even if it may ultimately be found to have no relevance to Bryan Kohberger's defense. While not a major win, the decision offers some legal respite toward Bryan, who is accused of such brutal killings. The defense previously revealed that they would be contesting the notion that Bryan Kohberger's DNA was left at the scene on the knife sheath. They also claimed that DNA from 3 other unidentified men was also found at the Idaho crime scene. The defense also wants more information on how the FBI used the DNA to create family trees that led them to Bryan Kohberger and his father in Pennsylvania, for an early morning arrest. Prosecutors, meanwhile, maintain the killer left the knife sheath behind and that it was found next to Maddie's body in her bed, on the 3rd floor of the home. DNA allegedly present on the sheath was later matched to Bryan, after the FBI checked the sample against genetic genealogy databases and tipped off local cops.